Malcolm McDonald. I'm studying SVQ level 3, light vehicle maintenance and repair. I've always loved cars from an early age. Cars have fascinated me. I was a welder for years, but I always just found myself, I'd end up welding cars and fixing cars anyway, so I thought I might as well just do the swap. The only reason I got into welding years ago is when I went for the interview for the training organisation. It was to be a mechanic and it was full. And they said to me, there's a welding course, but I'll just do that. 20 odd years later, I'm back training again. At the moment, we're doing the electronic side of the course. So there's a lot of diagnostics and picoscoping. Basically, not to guess what's wrong with the car, you have to work out, go through a sequence to find the fault. When a car comes in and it's not running and you can get it to start, it's satisfying. West Lothian College is great because it's easily accessible for all ages and there's great transport links, and the tutors and staff are amazing, very helpful. After this, I'm hoping to go and work for myself. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. It doesn't matter if you're young or an older student like me, if you put your mind to it, you can succeed.